Hello guys, hope you guys are doing absolutely well. Today we will continue with some special tags in HTML which we rarely use in HTML. But before starting, let's talk about last day's session and one important notice. Don't skip the video because the topic is very important. And the code of today's tutorial is already provided in the description. So please follow the link to get the code. Now, last day we discussed about few tags like table tag, tr tag, td tag, and also discussed about lists. If you missed the video, please follow the I button. Now, let's start today's lesson. Today we talked about some tags like number 1, center tag. Number 2, ampersand nbsp semicolon tag. Number 3, ampersand LT semicolon and ampersand GT semicolon tag. Number 4, XMP tag. First, we discuss about center tag. It is basically used to align any element to center. So now, just see how to apply it. First, write center in parentheses. Here we write center tag. Within the tag, write anything. It will automatically align in the center. Now let's write something and check the output. Open in browser. So here's the result. It is automatically aligned in the center. So now, second we discuss about ampersand nbsp semicolon tag. This is basically used to add space before any element. But remember one thing, always add semicolon after ampersand nbsp. Otherwise, it may not work. Now, let's examine it with an example. Write a statement within p tag. And check it in browser. Once see the output carefully. No extra space is allocated. Now, let's apply ampersand nbsp semicolon tag to our paragraph. As soon as we place semicolon, the color changes by itself. Now, let's examine the output. Now, notice the space before the paragraph starts. Okay, now let's switch to next tag. Ampersand LT and ampersand GT tag. Here also, semicolon is very important. Now let's discuss its work. Ampersand LT is used to apply opening parenthesis. And ampersand GT is used to apply closing parenthesis. Now let's examine it with an example. Suppose we want to write HTML within HTML tag. So now open in browser. Here we see that HTML has not appeared here. Then again we use ampersand LT and ampersand GT to overcome it. Now let's apply the code and see it work. So editor, we write HTML, and before HTML, let's apply ampersand LT. After we place semicolon, the color changes by itself. And after HTML, apply ampersand GT semicolon. And let's run the code to examine the output. So now, see the output. It is just as we want. So now the last but not the least is XMP tag. It is basically used to include any HTML code within another HTML code. But the code which we write within XMP tag is basically treated as a normal document, not as a code. Hard to understand, right? But don't worry, we just clear it with an example. Now, let's paste any HTML code within the XMP tag. So we paste the code to our editor, save it, and then open it in browser. Yes, that's the output we want to see. The whole HTML code is just saved like a document. So this is enough for today. So just give us few more time to prepare some interesting stuff for you guys. And guys, please do subscribe our channel. Most of the viewers just watch the video and forget to subscribe. So please hit the red button below and set notification to all. And don't forget to comment, that will help us to improve our course. And our Facebook page and web page link are given below in the description. So check it out for further notes and information. So bye bye. Have a nice day.